Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by arming yourself and taking the immediate left corridor. This is the only viable path for progress. Once equipped, move slowly and listen for footsteps so you can slip past the first two patrols without wasting resources. Make sure to note the hidden door to the right after the second lamppost. It gives a shortcut and stash. Do this now to preserve ammo and health. Approach quietly, use a single ranged shot only when necessary, and keep momentum steady. Once you pass the shortcut, prioritize controlling the narrow corridors that funnel enemies. Set one trap at each exit to thin waves. You should alternate between one ranged hit and two quick melee strikes to manage ammunition while maintaining DPS. Make sure to sweep for resource nodes. Collect 3 before entering the central room so you have healing and a spare grenade. While moving, reposition after every encounter to deny flanking, and use cover to force enemies into your traps for safer progression. You now reach the final area. Focus burst damage on the enemy weak point as soon as its guard drops, timing a 1/2 to 1 second window for maximum effect. Make sure to leave one healing item and a stun for emergency interruptions, and maintain a mobile stance to avoid telegraphed attacks. If the encounter goes wrong, don't panic. Retreat back through the hidden door, heal, and re-enter with refreshed resources. This quick reset fixes timing issues and prevents repeated full-run failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.